This is the brand new generation of the Redmi Little King Kong that was just released, the all-new Note 17 Pro. We have the 12 plus 256GB version in Nebula Purple. Oh, this is nice. I've actually been wanting to test how smooth 12GB of RAM is on a budget phone like this.
I believe this must be a phone focused on drop resistance and durability. I bet it has a large battery too. I'm just guessing. I don't know anything yet. Right at the top is the case. Let's guess if it's transparent. I bet it's not. See, I knew it. Honestly, the case is perfectly fine. Taking the phone out, set it aside. Accessories. Oh, this lens has a buckle. Wow.
67-watt USB-A charging brick, and it should be a 99cm long data cable. Let's bring out the star of the show. Oh wow, a brand new unboxing. This side has a matte back panel. The Nebula Purple is actually quite subtle, just a light shade of purple, right?
Then the side features a flat frame. There are no antenna lines, so it is a plastic frame. The camera bump is relatively simple. Looking at it horizontally, it's distorted. Let's power it on. A flat screen, a good screen. Honestly, for the Note series, I think the screen to body ratio is decent. It's not uniform on all four sides. The chin is a bit wider, but overall, it's fine. After looking at the design, let's put the basic specs on the screen for you. I think there are 3 key points about this phone I need to share with you.
The first point is this screen. First of all, it uses Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, so it is extremely drop resistant and truly durable. Xiaomi has focused on optimizing the 4 corners this generation to protect the internal components, which I think is very important for its market positioning. As we mentioned at the beginning, this screen uses the same light emitting material as the Xiaomi 10 series, so it features a peak brightness of 3500 nits and an ultra low brightness of 1 nit. Also, I think the large rounded corners actually look quite good on the Note series. The second point is the 9000 mAh battery, plus it comes with a 67-watt wired charger and 22.5-watt reverse fast charging, so we really don't need to test the battery life. After all, a large battery is king. The third point is the different operating system. It seems very important to talk to you guys about this when discussing the Note series, right? First, in the Note system, you will notice that a lot of the blur effects are missing. They are disabled by default to ensure the device runs more smoothly. After all, the system-on-chip performance can't compete with flagships, so cutting back here to maintain fluidity and stability is, in my opinion, quite reasonable. Another point is that in the settings, there is a senior care mode. Once you turn it on, guys, the font size can be increased to 200%, and the icons can be made even larger. Also, the maximum ringtone volume can be adjusted up to 300%. If you scroll down further, you will see AI anti-fraud. See that? AI call alerts. When you are on a call or video chat, it detects suspected fraud or deepfake identity spoofing and sends you a warning. It can also block scam calls, telemarketing calls, real estate agent calls, and even risky applications. It is truly very friendly for seniors. At this point, I do not think we need to say much more in this video. It is very difficult to make mid-range phones this year. The reason is something everyone knows. Memory costs have risen to the point where they are almost as expensive as the phone itself. Given this backdrop, Redmi has insight into user needs and solves them. And I think this was a very smart move. What do you all think of the brand new Note 17 Pro? Bye-bye.